There might have been a time when business-oriented roles didn't really need to know technical skills. They could outsource big technical jobs and get by with Excel for the rest. Leaders and managers, including those with MBAs, don't need to become full-blown programmers, but they need to understand enough of what goes on under the hood to be part of the discussion.
My name is Mattan Griffel, and I'm an award-winning adjunct assistant professor of business at Columbia Business School. I'm also a Y Combinator-backed entrepreneur. I was one of Forbes 30 Under 30 in education, and I've also advised companies such as Pepsi, Bloomberg, General Motors, the New York Stock Exchange, and JP Morgan.
And I'm Daniel Guetta, Director of the Business Analytics Initiative at Columbia Business School and Columbia Engineering, and a senior lecturer at the school. Over the last 10 years, I've worked with executives in fields ranging from pharma to finance to consumer packaged goods. I've seen firsthand the challenges non-technical executives face as they start working with their data and with technical teams of their companies. We're both very excited to tell you about this program. Python is designed to be easy to read while still being very powerful, which makes it a great language for beginners to learn. It's the fastest growing programming language in the world, and it's becoming an integral part of many professions, from finance and insurance to tech, healthcare, retail, e-commerce, and many others. Technology and data analytics are increasingly finding their way into every part of businesses. During my time as a consultant, I found that the strongest predictor of whether a project would succeed was how involved and engaged the non-technical subject matter experts were in our efforts.
And that's why we've created this program. It's based on the wildly popular MBA courses that we teach here at Columbia Business School.
And on my work with executives in a wide variety of companies over the last 10 years, helping them get value from that data.